What are we doing today?
You don't have any input into this. Give it. Thank you. There you go.
That's so mean.
Are you talking about cameraman? What are you doing, cameraman?
Okay.
Cameraman doesn't approve of the mushroom light.
Cameraman.
Yes.
Shut up.
Oh, General AI Assistance.
February
2026.
Cool.
Brackets close.
Tier list. So we're gonna look at these. We're gonna look at these AI assistants and then rank them between S to D. So
Yeah, I seen the movie where like the news anchor there's someone typing live messages and there's like secret messages in there and the news anchor actually reads all those messages.
you know, Anchorman.
Yeah.
Anchorman. Yeah.
Well, there's also
Anchorman's big.
Adam the god dude who just types emails like a million.
That's
Adam
it's,
Almighty or
Bruce Almighty. It's Almighty.
Alright.
Okay, we're getting
Today we are doing General AI Assistance February 2026.
because things are moving pretty fast in the AI world, of course. And so I imagine some of these you've never used before. Some of these I have not used before. But the ones that I have used, I have strong opinions on them. So let's go through this.
Right, looking at the list, I've not used only one of these.
I have used same. I haven't used one of these. So Gemini, where would you put it? What are some strengths? I find that Gemini is like very smart, but you lose context so fast.
So it depends on what you're using it for Gemini. I'm more on the creative side of things, so I like to use it for its other features like Nano Banana. And so if it's like that side, I believe it's like S tier.
Yeah, that's true. Nano Banana is actually very good. Yeah.
If we're talking about the typing part or the normal context use base, I probably rated it around B.
B?
Yeah. But if we're talking about the generative, I feel like it's pretty strong still.
In terms of cost too, with just Gemini, you're able to get both Nano Banana Pro, you get the chatbot, and also a little bit of vibe coding as well. So because of that, I'm gonna put A.
All right, I'll meet you halfway.
Yep.
I put it on SNB.
S and B A. Yeah, D. Okay. Notion AI. So Notion AI. You haven't used Notion AI before. Have you used Notion before?
I don't.
Yeah. You put it in the D.
I put it in the D. All right. Well, I don't know. This is the one AI that I've never used before. Primarily because I do use Notion. Notion is if a lot of you know, it's I use it as what they call the second brain.
Yeah.
Literally, my whole life is on Notion. But the Notion AI is actually behind a paywall.
You can actually trial it if you have used Notion before. I'm pretty sure you.
The issue with me is, I'm sure you see this throughout the office, throughout the day. I'm gonna go on trial for 14 days maybe, 7 days, whatever it is.
And you just.
I'm gonna put in my credit card information, and I'm gonna disappear for 7 days because I got a phone call, and then I'm gonna forget, and then I'm gonna get charged for $39.99.
Yeah.
What the hell is
You're
this?
not gonna. You're gonna keep it.
I'm just gonna keep it after that and not use it. But yeah, so yeah.
I would say that is actually very good. Notion AI is actually because it is integrated into their documents, like basically your life wiki, the wiki that you have, which is on Notion. It's very easy to use because if you use ChatGPT, for example, even if you use Claude, even if you use Gemini, right? Mm-hmm. If you generate something, you still have to copy it and paste it in Google Docs. And I hate Google Docs because you can't link it to.
So that's the one thing that probably annoys me. So it's not really the AI side of things that doesn't work well for me. It's just the integrations.
Yeah.
I feel like it's still lacking. It's kind of behind.
Yeah.
Well, it was a very strong tool. I still use it. Like I said, it's my second brain. But the only issue that I also struggle with is with the Unigrate. It's the lack of integrations because like the whole business we operate is on the.
Are you talking about Notion?
Google. Yeah.
Yeah.
There's no answer. Like I can't. All the notes or the pages you create.
If
there's a way to magically poof into a Google Doc, that'd be fantastic. But it doesn't work that way. No, unfortunately. But yeah.
basically, Notion AI is good if you're the Notion ecosystem, and that is like, and you're heavily into the Notion ecosystem.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, I'm not. I would honestly put this as a B. I've used it when I was heavily using just Notion.
Did you say G or D?
B.
B?
I love but if I were to, there's a reason why I haven't paid for it, so it stays at D.
What's the reason?
It's because I'd rather spend my money on another app. I'm spending on ChatGPT,
Yeah.
and also we have Gemini and Clock and stuff. So yeah, I'm not paying for a Notion. Perplexity was great. Well, like middle of that year. Grammarly. I've never used Grammarly.
I use Grammarly pre-AI. That sounds like a
Pre-AI.
right the dinosaur ages or something like that. Pre-AI times, I used Grammarly for the AI revolution. I was using Grammarly. Grammarly was the shit. I used to use Grammarly back when I was doing like SEO content marketing. I was like a copywriter.
Okay.
I mean, no. And then ChatGPT came around. I got very interesting. I started using the double wide instead.
Yeah, these. I don't know anyone that uses Grammarly.
I've since removed Grammarly ever since ChatGPT came out.
D.
OpenAI. Yeah, it's long.
D. Okay. Claude.
Uh,
S tier. S tier.
I-
S tier.
I think
I gotta
that's
put it
a no.
S tier.
Yeah, it's a no.
It's S tier.
Whether it's Cloud Code, Cowork, it's very versatile.
Yeah.
Yeah.
ChatGPT.
Oh.
Now ChatGPT, I have basically when GPT 3 came out. Yeah, 3 came out. The first thing I did is just buy a Plus subscription. And I still have my Plus subscription. Over the years, the past year was when I was debating if I should switch out and cancel it. I'm still debating if I should cancel it, but
Maybe it's time to cancel because
4.0 is dead. 4.0 is dead. Yeah, but I do not.
Did you know there's a petition online right now?
There is.
People are signing a petition to keep it alive.
Love 4.0. And actually, when 4.0 first came out, I wasn't very impressed by it. Yeah. But once the 04 models, 03 models came out, and 4.1 and all those came out, it started getting better. The image generation got better as well, especially when 4.0 DALL-E, when 4.0 came out, DALL-E 3 or 4 came out too. Now, that was a game changer for me. I love that.
What are some use cases you use DALL-E with?
My DALL-E is my fitness channel.
Your
Video, I don't fitness channel.
Oh,
that is all.
So like the anime type gym.
Yeah,
Wait.
yeah. There is like tutorials and tips on lifting. Now that was all DALL-E. All the image generated was all DALL-E. It was a significant step up from Stable Diffusion.
Okay.
And I mean, it's for me. I used to be an illustrator. Like, yeah, that was a game changer when it comes to image generation. So overall, ChatGPT, I'll put it at A below Gemini. I think they're lacking still.
Do I go to front or behind?
Behind Gemini. I don't think they're as competitive as the others now.
Yeah, I think Gemini is still over his edge a little bit. Same thing. I still have my ChatGPT subscription. I think it's so great. I think it's just sort of like a safety net of the AI tools now.
Yeah,
for me. I know there's a lot of people still building different things with utilizing the open source on OpenAI to build. So there's still that.
What would it be compared to? Microsoft Word now, I guess. Microsoft Word hasn't changed much, but it's not even online. So yeah,
Getting a cracked version. Not that I have a cracked version.
Grok. I have never used Grok for collaboration.
I enjoy
What's that say about me?
Grok again. So if same thing with what I do with Gemini, I'm more on the creative side of things, and so I I really like the detail that Grok puts into and generating images. Actually,
Yeah,
it's actually not bad. But for me, it still doesn't have the edge over Nano Banana yet, in my opinion. Just in my use case, like with the more of the realistic looks, AI avatars that I've been exploring, etc., like actual human characters. So there's that.
okay, perfect. There we go. Claude, Gemini.
I have to say one thing though. For some reason, I'm disappointed. I don't see another tool on here.
What is it?
Manus. Oh shoot! So Manus for me, in my use case, would be the S tier because Manus would probably be the new Perplexity for me. I need to think if that was a little bit of a
Hyperbole.
yeah. No, yes.
No,
I
it's-
think for me it's the new the upgrade from Perplexity in my opinion because it has very good research. It has all the footnotes and all the research. My favorite part is that it can document everything properly, and it makes Google Docs for you.
And it also does slides as well.
Yes.
That is something that doesn't do. All these other ones doesn't.
Yeah.
They don't.
I've been in cases where I needed to take so we have AI courses that we do, right? And so there's like multiple stages. Basically, we run people from building with AI tools, so all the AI tools, whether it's Lovable, Replit, Base 44, I don't know, all the vibe coding apps platforms. We go through all of those essentially, demoing it live together. We build things together. We create content. So there's a part of the course where you learn how to make content, or how you actually sit down and actually sit in front of the camera, get scripts out, etc., and publishing, go live, and sort of package into this like long course. And so I had to package it down into like a 3-hour session one time, and I was like an hour away. I had just landed, right? And I was like an hour away from the venue, and so I was like in the back of the taxi, like, I gotta put this together. Can you help me? And Madness saved my life. Nice. Madness pulled me out of the weeds like just as I landed on the car to the venue, into the hotel, up to the conference room, and both presented everything. Perfect. Yeah.
Well, editor, add Mattis from over here. Add Mattis.
Maybe add Madness in the middle of the screen with the background.
And it's like and move it into the tier list. Okay, thank you, editor. All right, if you were to pay for which one of these would you pay for?
What do you mean? I pay for all these.
Okay, all right. Well, if I were to pay for something, I would pay for Gemini.
So I pay for Claude, for Gemini, for Grok, and for ChatGPT right now. And the rest at the bottom, Perplexity, Notion AI, Grammarly, I don't pay for.
All right. I'm using ChatGPT. I'm paying for ChatGPT.
And the Madness as well. So
Nice. All right. So that is a lot. That's a lot to be paid.
that's a lot of subscriptions.
That's a lot of.
It's the most subscriptions we've ever had in the history of the world. Thank you guys for watching. Go ahead and let us know what we should tier list next, and then we'll be right back at it. See you guys on the next one.
Thank you.
That is so mad.